Craving restaurant-style crunchy tacos at home? Taco. Today I'm sharing the crispiest, juiciest chicken taco recipe that your whole family will love. Let's get started. Movie camera 015 to 035 channel CTA. Studio microphone. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an easy and delicious recipe. Movie camera 035 to 120 chicken marination. Movie camera close-up shots of ingredients. Studio microphone. Take 1 kilogram boneless chicken and cut it into thin strips. Add paprika powder, red chili powder, garlic powder, salt, and any spices you like. Mix everything really well and let it marinate for 30 minutes for maximum flavor. Movie camera 120 to 2 o'clock, cooking the chicken. Movie camera pan sizzling shot. Studio microphone. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of butter. Add the marinated chicken and cook it on medium heat until juicy and tender. Now add 3 to 4 tablespoons of hot sauce, mix well, cover, and cook on low heat until perfectly done. Movie camera 2 to 240 veggie filling. Movie camera second pan, colorful vegetables. Studio microphone. In another pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons butter. Add jalapenos, corn, capsicum, paprika powder, garlic powder, and salt. Sauté everything until slightly soft but still crunchy. You can add more vegetables according to your taste. Movie camera 240 to 330 taco assembly. Movie camera slow motion taco filling. Studio microphone. Heat the taco shells or tortillas on a pan. Add the hot chicken filling, then the fresh veggie mix. Top it with cheese, lettuce, and your favorite sauce. Fold and toast until golden, crispy, and crunchy. Movie camera 330 to 355 final shot plus CTA. Movie camera crunch bite close-up. Studio microphone. Look at that crunch. Taco. These crispy chicken tacos are perfect for kids and adults alike. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.